Welcome to HomePantry Pro. Today, we're diving deep into a cookware set that's been making waves for its health-conscious design and premium materials, the Nuwave Healthy Duralon Blue Ceramic Non-Stick Cookware Set. This set promises durability, easy cleanup, and a healthier cooking experience, and we're here to see if it lives up to the hype. First off, let's talk about the construction. Nuwave emphasizes premium forged construction here. Forging, in essence, makes the metal denser and stronger. This means the cookware should be robust and capable of handling daily use without warping or degrading quickly. They describe it as a work of art where form meets function, and while that's a nice marketing touch, the core benefit is a durable yet surprisingly lightweight pan. This is crucial for everyday cooking, making it easier to maneuver, especially when dealing with hot food. It's designed to perform well regardless of your cooking skill level, which is always a plus for a home cook. Now, the star of the show, the Duralon Blue coating. This is where Nuwave really pushes the healthy aspect. They call it eco-friendly, ultra non-stick Gen 10 Duralon Blue. What's most important here is what's in the coating. It's free of PFAS, PTFE, PFOA, lead, and cadmium. For those unfamiliar, these are chemicals often found in traditional non-stick cookware that can break down at high temperatures and potentially release harmful fumes. Nuwave explicitly states it does not emit toxic gases at higher temperatures and even provides a TUV Rhineland test result confirming the absence of 106 known PFAS elements. This commitment to a healthier cooking surface is a significant selling point. The Gen 10 Duralon ceramic itself has been refined over a decade, according to Nuwave. This, Generation 10, coating is said to heat fast and evenly, release food effortlessly, and be extraordinarily durable. They clarify that it's not non-stick, but gets pretty darn close. This distinction is important. Many ceramic coatings rely on a slightly porous surface that, when seasoned properly, provides excellent release. We'll be putting this to the test to see just how pretty darn close it is in practice. A really interesting feature they highlight is the Duralon Blue hardness, rated at 9H. For comparison, Diamond is rated at 10H. This high hardness rating suggests excellent resistance to abrasion and corrosion. This translates to cookware that's less likely to chip, discolor, or lose its non-stick properties over time due to everyday wear and tear from utensils and cleaning. This is a key factor in long-term value for any cookware set. Finally, let's touch on performance and compatibility. Every piece in this set is induction ready, thanks to a bonded and reinforced anti-warp stainless steel plate on the bottom. This is fantastic for modern kitchens and ensures that the cookware is versatile across different stovetop types. This bonding also directly contributes to the fast, even heat distribution and superior heat retention, which are fundamental for consistent cooking results. No more hot spots or unevenly cooked food. So, let's break down the pros and cons of the Nuwave Healthy Duralon Blue Ceramic Cookware Set. On the plus side, the health-conscious Duralon Blue coating is a major advantage, offering peace of mind by being free from harmful chemicals like PFAS. The forged construction promises durability and a comfortable feel in the hand. The high hardness rating of the ceramic coating suggests excellent scratch and wear resistance, which should contribute to a longer lifespan for the cookware. Furthermore, the induction readiness and even heat distribution are crucial for efficient and effective cooking on any stovetop. The tempered glass lids and stay-cool handles also add to the user-friendly design. However, there are a few potential considerations. While the pretty darn close non-stick performance is promising, true ceramic non-stick can sometimes require a bit more attention to oil usage and heat management compared to traditional PTFE-based non-stick coatings to maintain optimal release. We'll need to see how it performs with a variety of foods. Also, while durable, ceramic coatings can still be susceptible to damage from very aggressive metal utensils or extreme thermal shock. So, while tough, a bit of care is always recommended. In conclusion, the Nuwave Healthy Duralon Blue Ceramic Non-Stick Cookware Set presents a compelling option for those prioritizing health and durability in their kitchen. Its robust construction, innovative and safe non-stick coating, and universal stovetop compatibility make it a strong contender. If you're looking to upgrade your cookware with a focus on wellness and long-lasting performance, this set is definitely worth a closer look. Link in the description.